Oh, what's going on, guys? It's me, JTB. You can call me Nick, and that's right, we're back and we'll play some more Sons of the Forest 1.0 update, full playthrough. As you can see, we are currently defying the laws of physics right now. We are bloody climbing up a mountain with a goddamn automobile. So, yeah, it's kind of crazy. Oh, I don't know how this is like even possible. But it's Sons of the Forest, so anything is possible, eh? Oh! Anyway, it's alright, we'll, oh, we've got a hang glider there, and we've got a, oh! And we've got a new cave to see. It's probably nothing crazy. Oh! Alright, let's get out here. What is that I saw? Oh, here we go, tents. Oh! Scary.
So scary.
There's a hang glider, that's cool.
Okay. That was a waste of getting out.
Then, oh, what the hell? Okay. What is Jesus Guy's not hypothermia, eh? Buried. Alright, let's check out this cave.
Well, we are in the middle of the snow, so probably.
Very icy.
Yep, nothing.
Yeah, nothing. Oh, oh, blueprint. Oh, that's a new one. Interesting, eh? Okay. New blueprint. Cool stuff. Alright, let's get to the next cave now. That battery's not looking good. 1 bar left.
Your mic is messed up, your mic is messed up, your mic is messed up.
Ay, ay, ay.
Que queda su tiempo. Mentor me comfy. Ay, ay, ay.
Si tú entras mi perfil, tú vas a perder todo tu tiempo. Nos vemos. Gente a mi perfil.
Alright, guys, looks like we found another question mark. What is it? It's probably another cave.
It is another cave.
It is another cave, there you go.
Oh.
Confirmed.
Skin pouch and dead. Oh, this place has like the most dead things you'll ever see.
Let's take a look, eh?
Mmm.
Alright, what do we got?
Wait. Ay, ay. Get up, say, cookie. Mention me comfy.
We'll take that. Alright, let's go in.
Oh.
Oh.
What?
Are you inside?
Yeah, I'm waiting for you.
In the cave?
Oh, it literally has nothing in the cave. It's just like a one-way walk, and it goes into nothing.
Oh, jeez.
It's just a lot of dead things. That's
yeah,
it.
that is. And skeletons just fell from the roof. That is cool. Ciao, bro. Bro, as if there's nothing in here. Jesus. Where does this rope go?
Oh, on my feet. It just goes up, and then there's the way out. Oh.
Oh, it's daytime as well.
Lives up on a wonder Steven.
Bro, we entered at bloody night and we came out in day. That's sick.
Helicopter!
There it is again, bro. Surely we get to like see it or something, like go up to it.
Yeah, I'm like right in it. Yeah.
Oh man, don't tell me we missed. No, there it
Right
goes
above
again. What the hell, man? God damn it.
There's a guy with a flare.
Oh, oh yeah, look.
Okay. He's there.
Oh. Do you reckon that's what they dropped off? This guy,
They dropped him off. Oh, there's another dead person in the bushes here, bro.
Well, there goes the bloody... There goes the helicopter. Gone again, man. Every single time. It's just... Fugazi, easy. Gone. Alright. Oh, oh!
Oh, what the hell?
That
There's
is
a base in here.
Yeah, what? It's definitely a brand new cave, holy crap. We've got 2 pathways. Oh wow, so much supplies in here. What? What do we got over here?
Yep, skeletons scalp on the fucking roof.
Wow. Oh. Oh my god, more.
This cave actually looks kind of big.
Hey.
Okay, never mind. It just ended as soon as I said that.
Is there anything here?
Oh yeah,
Jeez.
blueprint.
Look at that guy, eh?
Oh, it's like a spotlight.
Well, that's cool. Wow, alright. Interesting. Just a small little cave, but...
Yeah, well, I don't mind. I think every blueprint cave is small.
It's better than nothing, though, I'd say. It's pretty cool. Got the bloody helicopter again. So surely that orange thing might be another base.
I reckon it's those excavator things again.
Oh yeah, good shout.
Good,
Okay. Okay, another orange marker. Oh. Oh, okay. Look at that, eh? It's like a basement. Another GPS locator. Oh, there's no IVs up there. Nice. Alright, away we go. Oh. Alright, let's get the flashlight out. Torch, whatever. The lighter.
oh, a dead pig. Oh!
Jeez.
Oh, yep,
it's
another one.
What is that? What? It's like a shrine. That's it's like a spider. What the hell? Some weird ass stuff going on there.
I don't know.
Small but cool ass cave. Where is it?
Where is it?
Well, surely we're close.
Oh, it's up in the air. It's like coming down.
Surely we can
It's
get
right above me. It's right above me.
But this one just spawned in out of nowhere.
Oh,
Oh,
look,
what the
bro!
hell? Whoa!
He's going. Wait, he's landing.
Look!
Yeah, I see.
Surely
On
it
you.
lands. Oh. No, surely it lands here.
Bro, they got absolutely demolished.
Bro, that's sick. They just got another helicopter right here.
He's coming down, bro.
Yeah, surely. It has to land here, bro. No, oh
No, it's going.
my god. Why are they doing that to us, man? God damn it. It's alright. Hey, it's still cool though. But this is...
Wait.
Wow.
Sounds like he's getting closer, bro.
I swear I can hear that as well, yeah. Oh well. Pretty cool though.
Yep, he's going.
Jesus.
Bloody hell, these guys got demolished.
It's terrible. Oh,
I think you'll get bloody banned
oh
YouTube if you look at this stuff, bro.
well, too bad. I'll look in it. I'll bathe in it.
Like,
Oh, look, flare.
oh shit. Yeah, he's just gonna die as soon as we get there. Born.
Yeah, I know.
Where is he?
There he is, he's down here. He's got night V's for us. There he is. He's moving, and he's dead.
Or arrows.
Yeah, we'll definitely take those.
I'm
Alright.
saving outside this bunker. This bunker was pretty hectic. Oh, it's day 7. Oh, can opener! Finally, bro.
Yes, let's go. Where'd you find it?
It was on the ground.
I must have grabbed it then. Did I? I hope so.
This A-room.
Surely I grabbed the can opener. Yes, let's go. I'm gonna eat it right now. Yeah, yummy, yummy, yummy.
I like how the propellers are still swinging.
Yeah, how good is that, eh? That's sick. Wow, this bunker, bro, is going crazy. Found so much here. It's awesome. Really, really sick.
Look above you, bro.
Oh!
Oh, Nick. Boom! I just a damn rock.
There's a moose I can hear. Alright, so
What's up, guys?
I think we're going to Hollow Springs now, where all the like people stay and stuff.
Oh, it has a hole. Oh, brother, ew.
Jesus
What's up here?
Christ. What about down there? Is there
Under construction.
Oh, we might have to go down here. Oh, looks like we're going down. This looks new, man. Like it feels.
Oh! This looks more like a big bunker.
Yeah, I know. Something crazy is gonna happen here.
What? Oh, he's shooting.
Yeah, I can hear it as well. Oh, I'm going into a cutscene.
Oh!
There's the blob yet again. Wow, I wish we fought it, man.
Tom!
Kaboom. Oh, he's all bloody now. That's cool.
Oh! Where's that? Oh, behind him.
Get down, son. I love it. There's Timmy and bloody Eric. Oh, he's got shot.
Little mutant Timmy.
Mutant Timmy.
All grown up.
Oh, little mutant Timmy. Dang. We still haven't fought this guy, man.
We can still get out. I think that's.
Well, we got the voice acting. That's pretty cool. Where did they go, man?
Look at this goose shit, bro.
They just vanished. Oh, his fingers over there.
My game lags, so there's something gonna be big, bro.
Yeah, I just got that as well. Oh, what do we got in here?
Oh, there's the katanas here.
Oh, flashlight attachment collected. Sulfite.
Actual?
Yeah, one though.
Oh.
Where's the katana? Oh, it's just around here, it's not in here. Okay.
Hold on, see what I can equip this.
Flashlight
Wait.
attachment, yeah.
Shock.
Get it.
I wanna see if I can put it on my bow. No. I can put it on a crossbow. Yeah, I'll do that
Oh,
one.
on the crossbow, that's cool. Yeah, I may as well do that too. Alright.
Oh, do you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that. I think the katana's in this door.
Oh, ew. Yeah, katana.
What's-
Oh no,
what
it's
is-
golf ball.
Oh,
Auto
what?
pro.
Oh, that is. Jeez, it's right in his eye. And we got another note. Hey, good news, we managed to find both the clubs and the golf balls. We want to thank you for all your help, and if you are ever out on the links, let's whack a few balls around Miles Goldstein. Alright. You know, I'm gonna
Jeffrey
make a
what?
flask.
Jeffrey what?
Okay.
Oh! Behind you.
Ah! Hold on, bro, I'm trying to make a flask. And he's dead. Any golf balls?
That's my flask.
No. Do you want me to make you one, bro? I can make you a separate one.
No, I'm joking.
No, I'm serious.
I would never do that.
It's fine. You can take it if you want. Yeah, that's fine. It's fine, bro. I was gonna make both. I was gonna make one for both of us. It's fine.
Uh-oh. None left.
God damn it, bro. You know what? Come on, let's just go. Let's just bloody go.
You know you can put your own pictures in there, but... Alright.
I don't have it. Oh, I can skin you. What? Okay. I'll take it.
What's that noise?
Yeah, I know. I keep hearing. Oh, down or up? Okay, down.
Oh,
Oh
God.
my God. Fingers as well.
Oh, there's 3 fingers.
3.
Nah, 2.
God.
Holy crap, where they all come from?
Jesus. Oh, we got him. That was pretty chill. Ooh.
This is where everyone used to chill out, bro. Like, what happened?
Yeah, Hollow Springs now. Hollow Things.
No collected. It's having dreams about the Golden City again. I don't know what's Barb. True. Golden City.
Barb is Edward's wife, by the way.
No, Barbara. Puff.
That's it. Wow.
Well, this one looks like bigger. Like a katana collected.
Nice.
Katana is actually so good.
I know, bro. I love it. Okay. This place, man. Pretty cool. Wow. Another note. Doc, calm down. Nothing will happen.
Watch out! Watch out!
Oh, no! The countdown is a fairy tale. Jianyu. There's the villain again. Katana!
Oh, there's so many of them, bro.
Alright, nice. Good job. Get that skin. Oh, can't collect anymore. Alright.
I'll have it then.
Oh, I bet. Oh!
This one was dumb, bro.
Oh, jeez, what happened in here? Another note. Oh, there's the map again.
Oh, here we go. Luxury bunker. Spacesuit. I'm taking that.
Spacesuit? Oh, I'm equipping that right now. Space goddamn suit. What are they on? Bloody spacesuit.
Brought some old fishing villages here. Lots of body. Hank. Those just those like. Remember that in that other world how I built around that like those little bunker things?
Yeah, yeah.
Those are the fishing places, so we already know that, right? Oh, I do. Oh, what's this?
This is new.
Oh, unlock
That's
your
Timmy.
phone.
Oh,
I unlocked it. You said thank you. Left.
okay, cool.
Hank, I'm worried about Jianyu. If anything happens to me, send word out. Jack Holber.
Uncover what happened here. I just got that note. The objective.
Yeah.
Well, you should put the spacesuit on, bro.
I didn't. Actually,
you
no, this is better on you. Tuxedo, I like it better.
Okay, fair enough.
Mission. Cover what has happened. How deep is this bloody place?
I know, it keeps going and going.
Oh, yeah!
Got it. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's
You
going.
bro. What the hell?
Oh, that's.
Oh,
I got the
gold mask.
What's in here?
What the hell?
Oh, let's grab that key card. Oh, it's dark.
Straight dark.
Oh, in the cave
That's
again.
allowed.
Oh, this must be the way out. Wow. What the hell is that noise?
Wind.
Oh. Timmy must have went this way too.
Yeah, this is definitely way out.
Yeah, because you can hear the noise. Oops.
Yeah, no. Oh, helicopter, bro! Where is it?
Bro.
Oh, it went right over me, bro. And it's gone.
There it is!
Went right over my head, like 2 meters above my
I
head.
saw it, yeah, I just saw it as well. There it goes. Where's it going?
On,
Look,
bro.
that must be like a proper cutscene, because it's just going up there.
Bro, it went like right over my head, bro.
Look, well, there's a cave just over there. Oh no, have we explored that cave? Oh,
We need to figure out what happened, don't we?
yeah, I'm assuming that's like caves and stuff. Okay. Oh. Oh! Oh, there's the, is that the cube? No, it's just people. Okay. So they're cold or something. Babies. Anything over here? No. Creepy ass. Oh. Solidified. Okay. Some legs. Ouch. Oh, there's some bloody goods. Okay. Chill, chill. Oh. Get up. This way. Has to be. Oh yeah, ammo, yeah, give me that. Oh, and meds. Oh, that's blocked off. How did Harry get down there? Oh. Oi, Harry. Oh my god, another finger. It's a fingers. What am I saying? Bloody, what do you call it? Literally, oh my god. No, I can't die here, bro. Because Harry's like all the way over there. Where is he? Where is he? Come on, I've got to get him. Surely, bro. Get the Legsy. Alright, that's it, I'm going with creepy armor. Equip it, equip. Yes, nice. Alright. That was close. I don't know where Harry is. I think his mic's off or something. Keep going. On my own lone wolf right now. I don't know what the hell's going on. I don't even know what he's found. He's probably found like what he's probably found something crazy. What's the bet? Alright. Bro, how far is he, man? Oh, another slide. Okay. What is that? Light. Jeez. What's that lighting up, bro? There's nothing there. So I can either go left or right. Alright guys, I think now's a good time to end the video. Pretty action-packed today. We went into the bunkers, or one of the bunkers. We saw a few helicopters, we saw Legsies, we saw a lot today. So please like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. It's going to be a banger. Who knows what's going to happen next. Anything is possible. Sons of the Forest. So please like and subscribe. Don't forget, check out the other videos for the rest of the playthrough.